Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can play in the new maps of this season, Kurohana Metropolis. So what you need to do is tap the feature button at the top of your screen. This one, Kurohana Metropolis. It is a new map. Of course, let's see the details. So in this new map, there are only two gameplay that you can or game mode that you can play as Andy, search and destroy, and Hardpoint. So there are not yet like a free for all or frontline or even deathmatch. With only two, search and destroy and Hardpoint. Let's try the new map of Kurohana Metropolis. So I'm playing search and destroy in this map. As you can see, search and destroy. So you have to search the bomb or the opponent who bring the bomb, or you can protect or defend the point A to prevent bombing. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.